the kite, it's flying with a hand, with our hands, fingers. We just want to, in the beginning, keep the kite in the air. So not let it fall down. So if it's falling on the right, you want to pull more the left.
Okay.
It's pretty much to find the balance, how much to pull the bar and the side. In the beginning, we're going to use 2 hands. Later you will see that we don't need 2 hands, but
You do one.
we can do it with 1 hand. But in the beginning, we're going to start with 2 hands. And the other hand is here more not to pull, but to push away. So if it's on the right side, the right hand you more use here at the moment to push away.
Okay, you want you use it to push away? Or the
like
other one to
a
push?
leverage, exactly. So you don't want to constantly make sure that you're not pressing on the bar, because then you're losing feeling. Like fingertips on top.
Now, if you want to put the kite there, how you do it?
So now I
Just
pull
left,
the
left,
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 yes.
left,
I pull the left.
And
How
slowly-
it's going towards the left side, I don't pull more and more, but less and less.
Okay.
Now the kite is on top of my head,
slow it.
and then I go on the left side. So now I'm doing the opposite. Now I'm having more pressure on the right hand side and pushing with the left hand side.
Okay. What happens if you keep pushing left now? It just goes down.
Goes down.
Okay.
So the kite is going down already because of gravity, and now if you pull, it's gonna go down even faster. So now where I've been going, I'm going through my wind window, and my wind window is my left side, on top of me right side. So these are like, it's called the neutral zone. The kite can be stable and can fly.
Ah, okay.
All of this on top of me, right side, left side. In front of me, it's called the power zone. The kite cannot be stable, but can fly through the power zone when we pull aggressively to the right or to the left. So this is something we don't want to do today.
How do I avoid that?
Don't be aggressive on the bar, but this is also why we put the line so short. So if you do the mistake, you don't fly so much. If the lines would be longer, the power would be
I
way
will
more.
I will eat some sand.
Way more efficient would be, yes. So in case you don't understand what is going on, make sure you can always let go of the bar. You want to launch the kite, you pull a little bit, pull the right, push with the left. When it's going up, less and less. And now you can control it while I'm connected, just to feel a little bit. Just keep it in the air. Let's put it a little bit higher. Bravo, pull a little bit more on the left. Very good. Put it again around one of, bravo, here, yeah, bravo. A little bit higher, pull a little bit the bar and left. Very good. Not too much.
Wow. Okay. But you have to be very gentle.
Yes.
I find the wow.
Don't pull too much on the left. Okay, pretty good. Okay, slowly land the kite down on the sand. Let's see how slowly you will be. Bravo, very good. Amazing, let go. Perfect job, bravo. Very good.
Wow, you have to be gentle.
Yes.
Very gentle.